ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯎꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯦꯗꯥꯝꯁꯤ UNACCO School Residential Qualification School ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯤꯄꯜ ꯏꯟꯆꯥꯔꯖ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯕ ꯃꯦꯗꯥꯝ ꯁꯔꯦꯖ ꯕꯥꯏꯗꯝꯅꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯥꯝ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯔꯤꯖꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯇꯥꯝ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯥꯝꯅ
Thank you.
ꯃꯦꯗꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯇꯥꯝ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯒꯦꯟ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯀꯣꯜ ꯈꯪꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯔꯤꯖꯣꯔꯠꯅ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯋꯔ ꯕꯥꯏ ꯐꯦꯌꯔ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯀꯣꯜ ꯈꯪꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯖꯔꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ UNACCO School CHANUNG ꯃꯁꯤ ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ fully residentialꯅꯤ at the same time co-educationꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯐꯤꯆꯔꯁ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯀꯨꯂꯔ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯣꯔ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯁ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ UNACCO Residential School ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 4ꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ 8 ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯅꯦꯛꯁ ꯁꯦꯁꯟꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 9ꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯜꯂꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯖꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯏꯠꯁ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯑ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯑꯋꯦ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯣꯝ ꯍꯣꯝ
home away from home
ꯌꯦꯁ ꯑ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯑꯋꯦ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯣꯝ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯃꯦꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯒ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯁꯀ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯗꯦꯟꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯨꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯤꯆꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯨꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ UNACCOꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯇꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯏꯟ ꯑꯦꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯦ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯠꯆꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯜ ꯊꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯆꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯦꯁꯟ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ
ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ
ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ
ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯌꯣ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯆꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟ ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯌꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ
ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ
ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ
ꯑꯣꯀꯦ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ
ꯃꯦꯝ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯑꯦꯋꯦ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯣꯝ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯌꯨꯝꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯊꯥꯞꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯑꯃꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ UNACCO ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯦ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯇꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅꯃꯛ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯊꯛꯄꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯒ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯥꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯒꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯑꯦꯚ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯣꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯗꯤꯁ ꯏꯁ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯌꯨ ꯅꯣ ꯌꯣꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯀꯣꯜ ꯈꯪꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ by Nordic Window Education Channel powered by Success Solutions. Let's explore UNACCO School. Ma'am, academic blocks explore tominase, madam, please.
ꯆꯠꯁꯦ audio visual room ni
Oh, okay.
ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ
Yes.
ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔꯒ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯇꯦड ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯃꯝ 2 ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ 3 ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁ ꯎꯠꯀꯗꯕ
Okay.
ꯑꯦꯚ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔꯗ
every
ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯚꯤꯖꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯔꯅꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯚꯤꯖꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯔꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗ ꯗꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯁꯤ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯣꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔꯗꯨꯒ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯇꯦड ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ
Okay, adu madam sida audio visual class week amada natraga nomada kayamuk tawge
ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛ 6 ꯂꯩꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯦ ꯃꯟꯗꯦꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯛꯁ ꯗꯦꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌൽ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ next ꯗꯦꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯦꯊ꯭ꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ
every single day audio visual class ꯂꯩꯕ
every single day audio visual class lay aduga aduda natana akhoi every Saturdays akhoi activity have like club activity am laye akhoi dramatics maths club ko adagi akhoi art and craft si mayam sisu akhoina amumu audio visual aid tawraga central video ulaga moida angang singda kamaina sani nataga drama kamain tawni particular situation ama kamain dramatize tawni adu haibado koina utpa adigi maths club toirasu akhoi apau phauba mathematician leiba adigi se number decimal fraction mayam si ko akhoina smaina moida uthoga amuk hena learning se amuk hena interesting ohenba
yam nuai na aduga classroom je hitane ngai da mena sum khamin buje bench yam dan uye and again space yam lei ado student kya per class lei
si se akoi maximum capacity se koi 40 hoina thambane adai da akoi gi hujik residential schools na koi teacher student ratio se 20:5 lei bani na natraga 25:1 hai tare ko 5 kinati 25:1 mai lei bani na classroom angang yam de adu na benches and desks adum koi sufficient hoina adum angang gi damakta adum provide to bangami aduga classes ta koi gi angang jig yam ji hai tare adu akoi na so angang yam da basi pamba
angang yam da basi advantage lei ba sigi
yam lei yam lei akoi angang yam da basi ne akoi individual attention ki bangam doi akoi angang yam to credit se atai school di kara angang se classroom de 70 baw yo yawe ba aduna angang singa koi individual attention se ki bangam de aduna particular se class ta koi gi class 4 diam yam re angang se class 11 gumba da bane class moi 11 si ozana ta pa matam da ko toina ma angang amagi awat pa magi ahen ba magi potentials ma'am se teacher mana ubangam ne aduna angang yam da basina ko aduna koina se foreign country de se pata di angang di teacher ratio se yam di aduna angang di individual attention se pi bangam ne aduna si da mo to koina angang se yam da na ba dumaina class am de yam lo de
yam nuai ma'am aduga
sina koi gi conference room ni sida koi gi keno tauba koi gi morning pledge kumba tauba adigi koi any emergency meeting nataga koi gi chairman sir la ba koi sida phamaga koi gi official mea meeting tawi nataga koi morning pledge se sida koi dum morning pledge tawi hai ta si room sida capacity se dum yam bane koi any meeting tawde hai ta de dum koi arrangement
tawde ba sida
koi je tharakani ama tawrakani adigi koi morning pledge every day se tawi aduga koi se morning pledge se tawbalo raga koi oza myam se koi discussion ama tawi every day is a meeting hai ta every day is a meeting ba koi koi pledge se hai balo re dana aduga bp aduga ibani na ne oza myam na si tawgada ba thabak thoram adigi angang da kamai na moina phagat na ba aduna mai to discuss tawi adigi any class ki problem player so koi se discuss tawi ki room sida adma koi lepaga dum ek pledge roi baga sina koi ki oza myam do so amu hena moi do so keno ke hai tare hoi
okay let's take a moment I think madam sida I have one special question for UNACCO school this particular school is residential school originally. Manipur is residential school. Haragadi science school gumba, Navodaya gumba, and hardly we have any. The young lady within a theatre. Mayam residential ki tamu kacang nari je mapan dengan kiam cak nari.
Mani.
Ada mapan pagar institution mayam se catraga. Jadi why UNACCO school?
Adugi se keno ni yamna simple reason ni akoi UNACCO gi motto malai excellence in education ne na ko adugi excellence in education high risi akoi gi holistic development aduga akoi sugumba UNACCO school chanung lingkhali se akoi angang ama se akoi seisa akoi toppers myam puthokke haibada natana ko adugi aim da natana angang ama se digi chakhiba matam da ko masi mimang thokpa ngamba adigi especially koina emphasis tawi se mogi speaking skills yam phani moida aduna angang amana digi thokki matamda yamna perfect oi ba angang am chakki base moi magi ke hai emotionally oi gera the spiritually oi gera nata academically oi gera na physically oi gera masi perfectionist oi mang angang am moi na chakki ba perfect angang am moi na aduga koi na si residential school in khaliba maram di khagi maram di akoi gi mapan lamda koi gi angang sing se ha ba si akoi na ngai jode koi gi manipur da so our school yam lei adubu akoi gi irang gum bala kuma tam se jadi akoi manipur se khai irang tang toi ko aduna angang sing sina mapan da koi gi parents ni sum gi situation la kuma tam da parents sina khali je koi gi mapan da tamaga na hena phagadra sini moina khali se kai no di mogi studies the break am lay rane ba aduna akoi si school de koi gi ban ka se kem late koi ban to bonu mita koi class tawe
okay so this residential school so it's not affected by any ban okay it's very interesting ma'am
good morning children
good morning everyone okay how are you okay that's great you can sit down okay so we're coming from Notice Window it's a television channel and we have a special channel for just education and it's called Notice Window Education Channel and powered by SS Career Solution and we're coming from that okay and we have been interacting with your principal ma'am and so now we want to take some time with you can we have okay that's great okay Nui am lagi ko I can hire anybody stand up to can I have one question. Okay, I need to follow. Yeah, both of you. So, I have one question for you. What's your name? Rafia. Rafia from Dreamium. So, tell us something about your school. Your school is? Yeah. Okay, sit down.
Our school is good for me, and then like
so nangi namana binanya nang hojik nang boarding de hojik yoksing gi suti thoko kanda nangi friend na nongoda hange eba ko no school du kamai toge ana hai kana nang kamai khum
I sign on the ID. A school do yam pay ID. A quay the peso or asking matam kaitopiraga dinner matum the extra class to be other yoga a quay kind of matam the audio visual room the salaga nuan subject to the marina naba video camera saying highly the my peso quay no I get a function motivational talk a powerful me or good counselor or quay the matazu tanabi.
Amazing, give it up for her. Wow. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, Pamuka. Yam Patana Kume. And again, Matangi Zeming. Okay.
Hitler sing.
Come closer. Come.
Hitler sing.
Hitler. Okay, there's Hitler in your room. Okay. Okay, Hitler never go. Hitler is Hitler. Hitler is German Hitler, and this is the Hitler from of Songtam. Nata. So how you learn never. You don't know that. Tell us something about you. Nangi matana kayo. Kita haron. Nangi ka nano. Nangi matang nang si explain to. Nangi kaya mo makagi nino. Yam sawan bra. Pero yam pawamira. Migi mating yam pangganjomira. Dahil yam pabra. Nato paninda bra.
So no, but that doesn't idea. Pas paningi, pas paningi. Marma film sarakani. Laga I isagi talent dum khangjareba isagi talent tay yam ai dancer haitare dancer haitare dancer
neba adu ke di okay I madam da hage ko nang len dance ko tayar hai there go okay thank you very much sit down okay I have one question for you my dear ko nang da ina hangni je nang na UNACCO school ji tam isi che kya sure
sir only this year
ko nang na school ji tam jingai mamang da layamba nang ni ke
my name is
Grace ni ko museum interesting way lo ne ko that is Grace here Grace nang na before coming to UNACCO school da nang la jingai mamang da layamba Grace ka after coming to UNACCO school da la amating da layba Grace ani se kai ke na
hanadi I am Tomnagi Potato Shambahem, the Duhudi, Sir Canada, Tambi, Potato, Haya, Duga, Firoka, Sudu, Haya, Duga, Ishagi, book recommending to Duka, Haya, Duga, like Papa, Matam, Sarn, Highway, Adugi regular or Duga Chavo, Kajodum, regular or Nedum Tobogi, I had a Pagatli and Kalma.
You know, I'm paying go to there. This more, okay. This is more. Thank you very much. This give it a 4 Grace. So I have one final question for all of you. Simi karam ki you ko, madam ne yajo ko. But si question sincerely kuma kadaw ni ko. No UNACCO school je, no residential school ni. So when it comes to residential school, you know, we have lunch, dinner and breakfast. Kinjang how ba? How ka na yun how na? Okay, UNACCO school is fabra. How this might decrease how you level go. How you ever got that? Sonda. How you know the law? Is UNACCO school the best school? Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Madam auditorium is am chow budi male mapandi yung bada. Manu jeng yung minasi.
Yani.
Okay.
Thank you. This ceremony se akoi hayeng leiba.
Okay.
Adugi instructions kara piba moi se council members ngakani.
Okay.
Head boy, head girl, house captains, prefects.
Okay.
Lemma gyaure.
Okay.
Adugi moi instruction piriba. Practice tawagi.
Okay. So good morning everyone. Good morning sir and ma'am. Okay. We're coming from Knowledge Window ko. Knowledge Window de lakpane. Actually, hojik se Knowledge Window Education Channel na education channel ama exclusively for education. Actually, hawe ko. And it's powered by SS Care Solution na powered to. So we want to interact with you all. Can we have some time with you? Okay. I want to pick someone ko. No name is quite interesting. A guy I'm going So hello, what's your name? Tots. Tots ki full name hai one. Tots Antem. Tots Antem yung guy dikino. Samthong Antem like guy diki Tots Antem. It's very interesting. Do you know something called Taj Mahal?
Yes, sir.
Kano ba? Taj Mahal again.
7 wonders of the world.
7 wonders of the world. Aduga Taj Mahal says 7 wonders of the world ne. Aduga Taj Mahal kanang sange.
Shah Jahan.
Who was Shah Jahan?
He was the great emperor.
Emperor amazing. Ka. Adudi Taj na yung chao in music no.
I want to become a doctor.
You want to become a doctor. Adu nang a doctor ba kan no school sino mating pang ni khan ba nang. Do you believe that your school will help you in your journey for becoming a doctor?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how?
There are a lot of good teachers.
Okay.
That will give me the path of success.
Okay.
There are so many great teachers that I can learn from.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. Beautiful answer. Give it a 4 stars. Who want to physical task to them? Class can have a class
600.
600. At the task, I have one question for you. Why UNACCO school gina? Why the farm?
So the games, they have so many sports.
Sports day ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nang di ka sports na kay pang
Basketball.
Basketball. Nang si sana ba?
Yes, sir.
Are you one of the best players here?
No.
No, okay. But you like it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, give it up. And again, the sports kay kino si sana ba yari?
We can play football. Basketball, there's lawn tennis. We can play badminton. And others also we can play.
So you're playing only basketball?
Yes, sir.
Okay, amazing. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
And there's somebody. What's your name?
My name is Nelson.
Nelson. Where are you from?
I'm from Kongbukuno.
Kongbukuno. Nelson, tell us. Okay, I have one question for you. What is the best thing about UNACCO?
The
In your
best things
opinion?
about UNACCO.
Yeah.
I think the best things about our UNACCO school is that the facility they give us.
Yeah.
We stay with our teachers together.
Okay.
That's the best things I think that every school can provide.
Okay. Nelson, I want a question. Nang friends in the when you're coming out from your school during your vacation, nangi friend makaida nang school do kamay to school no hangi eb no wala ko. Ado gid nang kamay explain to nang schools.
Koi school di fully residential school ni yamna facilities yana provide tawi moina pibada aduga moina vacations pibasisu na. Haiti 1 month gumba yam sang pibiba akhoi family ga hen interaction to phangnaba.
Okay.
Ada akhoi friends sing da hire kan bai noi di school di yam phaina khotna daindum yamna hoi mayamna su hire ga yamna interesting oi buto.
Okay.
Ada akhoi na sudum akhoi gi soina sports mind we functions every day.
Okay.
Dum na khoi punas hamin na menai ka dagi faide maru ina motivational talks speakers invite tor ga yamna akhoi do motivate tor career gi ko.
Okay.
Yesterday so akhoi gi ma'am Silomi la ga
Okay, ma'am Silomi nga sulay ko. Okay, ado ma'am Silomi gi ngang interaction do nuai bra kamay to
kunungan to
to
career gi ideas ku yam bibiyam.
Okay, ado ma'am Silomi na sige program ji yang ga di kay hani ma'am Silomi da.
Ma'am na bibiyam ba advice ku yam ama career gi options ma'am bibiyam ba do.
Okay.
Yam na kanai aduga akhoi gi mid akhoi na taram da ba khangam da ba career option ga su ma'am na yam na kangalam.
So would you like her to come again here?
Obviously, I would love to invite her.
Okay, ado I remember again close ko. I swear remember tamge and again members social receive program ji yang ni remember this program is powered by SS Care Solution. Thank you very much. Okay, Nelson to kwam the view ko. Same up and from the girl section until lokachika. Let's go. What's your name?
Anushri.
Anushri ko ko. Anushri ni ki residential school ni ko. Residential school hai si din noi lunch dinner lo episode am ni na tra. Ada nak siang hai over. Uza me am se khalam la hinge ko. Ada ki siang na si breakfast pizza ba.
Pizza.
Breakfast ka mai pizza ke.
Moi nungti ma ki habidi dum phajana ka hani. Dinner da moi cook sing na am phajana clean oina sembiraga khoi da nungti ma ki breakfast provide to wi ba. Aduga khoina extra ke ka pa me harju khoi da dum bibi aduga optrigo dum me khoi dum sar dum puk than da cha.
Puk than cha phang ba.
Aw phang.
Hajam na te ko.
Hajam na te.
Okay, ye jang ki siang hao ba ba.
Hao.
However,
akhoi mama gi tai tu toy
oi ko mai ta to ben jang si ko adagi okay adagi ma atop question amana ni oja sing je kamai to chain na phu bra chhatra da ni le sumu fu de ba sing ma ne
shinki
okay ma na ta ba dai noi ma hang de ko sai oja sing je phu de ba phu de ba ji kamai lai tai ba phu de su lai ta ya ba
yai
ya ba kamai ta ke
asum akhoi na asoi ba gumba to orjune moi na akhoi da phajane advice pi aduga akhoi na soi gi bagi reason do aduga akhoi ju understand to bira ka mem akhoi gi reason ju haira ga problem da puna solve to bira ga aduga akhoi gi asoi ju phajana hai bira ga chung thok bi
okay adu na UNACCO da lak tring ma wang de na class ke no ji
class 8
class 8 ni so before coming to UNACCO school adu ma wang da le ba nang ning du ke ba Anusri adu ma wang da le ba Anusri ga Anusri before UNACCO school and Anusri after UNACCO school ani se ke na ke
adu di yam thin khena gre
hai
ahan ba da aina mamang da school da tawram phibam do hai di sir adai matang dai oza da ju question am ta hangba ngamam de ba adu kai hai ni adu ga oza na ngang ba di lecture pi ba do ai suka taram de ba seng ba hai ga di hai pra maning da imanawi singa wa thi tawra lei ba do ai tawra me ba ai di sidala aga di adu ga maram oi na hai di ai sida isa je change tong bai school hong pa ne ba adu ga sigi school sina best oi do man ba adu oi ju oi rami adu ga sidala pa dagi ai sumaina kaino sigi council ju yaw school council ju adu ga ai isa yam na honge adu ai yan thank you hai ni sigi school
okay amazing give it up for Anusri okay I say I have one special question am hang ne kana thok ni please any one of you come out to answer my question any one of you yes please new school je le satra se ai hoji classroom de sang interact ho okay and every child go and every kid that I have interacted with you know they are amazing wamang yam hai ko kamai tuin go hi ba ma am se oi ngang ba
hoi sir haidi moi su haidi masa masa gi amam haidi gifted talent ama dum yarap ni haidi moi su ka haidi haidi talent amam da dum polk pa de dum yaram ni na dum moi su dum
anytime you know when you are interacting with some stranger or so when you are speaking in front of camera you know it needs certain amount of courage natra yam line hai bidi ade ba natra camera mong do wangang ba mi mong do wangang ba se but maybe chhatra sing jina wari sana matam da without any nervousness moina freely interact to ngam bagi skills e kamai develop to you know sigi skills se develop to within school na mateng pang bra
pang sir okay id apai school na khoida id public speaking gi chance yam na piye
okay
id programs ma'am health taraga id motivational talk ma'am health taraga akhoina answer gum question gum ba hangna ba chance am piye apai school na
okay
daga id teachers kai gesu phajana interact to ngam ba ni na dum talking skills adum
okay amazing very good answer okay then thank you very much and then okay what's your name Lishan
Yes.
Where from?
I'm from Arunachal Pradesh.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Yes.
Okay, Manipur. Not madam. Please join us. Yeah, madam. Okay. Madam, I think Manipur. Not atop state. Gisu satu silak per.
Lai.
Kaya atop
state su UP dagi su dum yawi.
UP dagi yawi.
UP dagi yawi maso Arunachal dagi ni.
Okay.
Adagi di dum notice ki part. Adagi dagi su mangang dum yawi.
Okay. Atop northern state ching yawi.
Dagi su yawi.
Okay, this is amazing because Manipur hardly we find any such school. Nabodia gumba sani ko manatana ikoi mapandagi satra laga like tam se pak thinga da bani but it's very interesting adu Manipur le residential school ma da atop station ge laga satra like tam baje and we are having a very good time to interact with one student from Arunachal. So how do you find UNACCO school?
Very excellent.
Very excellent. And what's your experience with this school?
There are many experiences I have had.
Okay, just share us something about it.
Like the experience of my class 3 when I was a newcomer here in UNACCO.
Yeah.
At that time I did not know any English or Manipuri.
Okay.
But the teachers helped me even every day.
Every day.
Yes, they took extra classes and other things.
Okay.
Just try to improve me.
Okay. And by the way, how do you find Manipur? When you choose as a learning station?
Excellent.
Excellent. Manipur, do you like Manipur?
Yes.
You know, how do you find your lunch and dinner?
Huh?
How do you find your lunch and dinner?
Very different.
Very different. Yes. But can you adapt it well?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Do you have any problem?
No.
No. Okay. No one that any special? Okay. I'm talking Manipur. I'm really sorry for that. Okay. Do you have any special attention from your teacher because you are not from Manipur?
Yes.
Okay, they do, na?
Yes, for the guidance.
Oh, for the guidance. Okay, amazing. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much. Okay, adu ide nina za si am phai na hai ko. Hai ko khar kan lao. Ha bo photo bro. Ni za na nei phu bo photo ba? Ni to bol, ti to ba? Adu oza mo una ke ba ko. Moi phu ma di mo. Ni ba hong ben. Okay, so we're meeting with some teachers here. Okay. Okay, Miss Oidini ko. Ma'am, what did you Ma'am, you take over.
Teacher Nancy Chanung.
Okay, ma'am, na kay subject of people. English tayo ko. Ado, ma'am, angang singzi na teachers nga yung fairly bagi atmosphere mo sila live even when principal ma'am sang kana mo ipasan great tayo. Ado ka at the same time ado mo interact tayo mo tanda mo voluntarily thoga level laga dum ka am kida na tayo ko. So otherwise, if principal gumba na traga na oza ko malak pa matam sida ay ko na live traditional school sing dagi lak pa matam dadi angang singzi ko yung git live don tayo so we don't find that situation here. So si kamay na madam explain to we.
Sir, Eikhoigee school is like one of its kind all over the northeast India. Manipur first international residential school. Residential school has koi ojazu like 24/7 into 7 satra galay sabane and then residential in house aduga angang gai je koi pung amam tuition taw bagi type taw bi and then evening prep to so koi oja loina attend taraga dum interaction taw na ba aduna angang gai je koi da ojani natraga moina angang ni haibagi difference later ba aduga moi ge dum interaction taw na raga dum phagi jugai taw na raga dagi ding hak lang ba khot pa dumai taw na raga moi da koi gi pura akiba se koi class na akiba sila helaga like study hour natraga prep hour room badana adumaina kitang restriction kitang thado pa aduga as a own family oina adum laimina ba ichagi type ta ko sa aduga dum moi gi pamjaba adum sports oiro games oiro koi nu matam da sindi ba ada adum hadaki oina so koi advance christmas sile koi the 22nd the advance christmas lay angam am gi damakta aduga koi 1 month break madui matung da 1 month break amal chule winter vacation dui matung da koi january the session am hauzaga da bane aduna koi gi school se yam tung khai kamay na no haiba matam da koi gi angang gai se like private school atopa school da di yeng na rupa matam da koi 1 month ki time of study phang ba days da like ban blockade lay banani khang de kan issue mala panani khang de just 5 days or 10 days ki education phang angang ri da but akoi days da koi na tawi di pura one monday to sunday se akoi na moi like ta pa cha manai saturday da moi our movie our lay re and then sunday class later ga so koi evening prep our tuition gi type da
movie di kai kada di yeng
movie se koi tong khai na moi hostel room da movie tv thame
adu yeng hale adu kam makal ki film gum badi moi da thap
moi na yening ba anime gi oiro and then fighter gi bu oiro dum
fighter gi anime lo yang ba okay amazing adu madam da I please don't mind we can have some exercise here na adu madam sidale student me amse so that please come closer so that we can have a wide view ko adu sidale student me kaji member identify to ngambra mami goi khangbra
ngamsa
khangane ba ko adu di mem adu pick up to ke ba ko okay and what is his name
Taj
and the last one
Mekwan
and this one
Jayashree
and
this is Loyangambe
okay this is the kind of interaction and this is the kind of relation that they are having with the teachers and the student ko yes amazing aduga yam nuai ojaga chatra sumber relation le am baje yam close identify to bugam baje ko thank you very much thank you for your time okay madam ekigi sima pham jina indoor oi doine ba ko
indoor games kumba
indoor games na ke no sanai je sida
as badminton tawi ayam banati badminton tawre
okay
adagi di akoi taekwondo stage matha da tawi ko adagi gym su lei somda
okay
gym macham su lei
gym macham okay si taekwondo oi do
taekwondo oi doini mana ko gi kano ni mani instructor ni ko gi PT
okay
teacher oi doini Pushpa
okay
Pushpa se masi national player ni gold medalist ni masi 100 su Vietnam da chalu bani masi
7, 8, 9, 10.
madam ning kai ko bige
Aigi ming lok samam Pushpa Devi.
Pushpa adu madam se ikun taja bada sigi moi physical trainer oina leya
Mani sir.
okay madam ne kai tapi bana moi
And then I am oina morning PT. Morning PT ma tawre do game ga.
Okay, game ga.
Aina taekwondo do na takcha.
Taekwondo ta eva adu madam ji ikoi national player ne ne su ta se madam ni ta kita hai
Oh, ay sama sa ay direct taekwondo magtinatib ko. Just martial art ne ba. Hadi bobina fiber masana sige ni. But I can teach all martial arts.
Martial arts din tapo namin. Okay, aduga hosi bobinam de kay gumba achievements sing lay okay, madam.
Oh, bobinam de ay world championship pabagi level sana jare.
World championship fawda. Okay, hadak su game ma chalo ba male.
Chalu
Oh, kadai chalo ba no de medan kitang tampi.
Oh, Vietnam ki Ho Chi Minh City hai ba ma.
Oh, Ho Chi Minh City. Okay, aduga okay achievement bu okay.
Unfortunately, hanta ki practice ay kra wat maram na
Oh, practice ka wala but okay, participation is still an achievement. Aduga world champion participate was yam top achievement ni. Adu school si madam ko. Yam matik cha bo jam am le am je. Ikoi chu theng na ba yam nuai aduga ngasi program ji video mayam ju yam nuai ni khale. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone. Madam ek school je. Hadak school ji award fangi bagi ma media da fang ba je. Ai India gi top 100 school residential school gi mani chan ngam gwe. Aduga north ki one of the best school oire. Hadu si madam madam kai no school jina hadak fangi achievement ji kamai to no si da kirang khali.
Si kanogi education world gi ranking gi matungina akoi gi UNACCO school CHANUNG se sisina koi gi kano haiba tare first tare
oza sing uno ba ya ga
yani
oza kadam chapi no oza sing se
Christmas ki advance Christmas celebrate to da ba ada moi gi gift pick up take na ba ribbon ke kala
ribbon ke lo ne ba ada kai no advance Christmas ta bu je
sir koi angang myam gi Christmas tree decorate tawre and gi gift ke kai bani hoji chatlaga pick tawre ni aduga angang myam ko to ga nungdang da koi club celebrate auditorium hall la tawse na mane pale
okay yam nungai je aduga oza ni mix sida dum lei lei dune ba ko adu oza ni ji ming na kai ko ge aduga oza ni gi school je da level role na kai no sim dan hai
ai gi ming na pinky number my school gi school counselor oine lai
school counselor oine lai bane aduga ko jana
my name is Baby Gang Mai. I'm a librarian in this school.
Librarian?
Yes.
Then you have librarian?
Yes, we have a librarian. She's from Tamenglong.
She's from Tamenglong. Okay, amazing. Okay. As a librarian, what are you doing here?
My first point and my first priority is to inculcate the reading habits to the students.
Okay. So are they coming to library?
Yes, of course. And circulation records is increasing more and more.
Okay. So how many books do you have in your library?
As of now, 281 collections.
281 collections.
Yes.
Okay. And varies from
different kinds of genre is there. Thrillers also, but most of the students interested in comics.
In comics.
Yes.
That's interesting. And I'm coming to a counselor. Counseling angang si tasina counseling da kaleva.
Sir, yamna problematic oi ba child akoi gi dadi yaude ba moi gi problem je just attention pi bangam da ba like to focus to bangam da ba adagi friend circle da sidadi pulap lai mina banina moi family amamam dagi lak pagi adaptation wa bagi adai mama na busy khatna bagi minor issues to moi na solve to bangam da ba do just adu da guide to bagi oina
okay aduga ikoi ozaje counselor ebi buje ozagi background hai dare educational qualification di kamai
ai clinical psychology lawyer
kadai degi toje
Manipur University
okay clinical psychologist samana counselor ne masam jida lei and again we have a librarian ikoi madam na librarian oi buje ikoi gi library science ko matam birakwa
yes sir I complete my master in library science from Punjab University.
Okay, so madam, all of them are very qualified. Very qualified. Okay, and thank you very much for your time. Okay. Madam, makata biyo masagi wali se.
Yes. World education world ki ranking matungina ko.
Yes.
Akoi gi school na akoi Manipur da co-ed boarding school da first rank PB ko adagi matung da akoi gi keno na all India ranking da 37 rank phangbane akoi gi akoi school na
37 ranking
37 rank
si kai go
si gaje bo hai tare ko ada stage da keno tawe akoi gi angang sing pothabam sudum oi adagi di parents sing laga koi gi visiting day gumbada parents sing na sab hamjaraga angang sing da chair thadi akoi gi se adum adagi di moina kai gumba games moina outdoor games kumba koi gi angang sing leidana moi se wa ba gumba se de potha ba gumba adagi di even indoor games se moi sometimes koi nungtinda di nungsa saidana sila aga moina nungsa boina carom gumba sana ba adagi ludo khangde ama khangde
sida okay free wala
free wala
yum ma madal bagi complete yum ma madal kana park chaw na facility ma'am phanga kanda yam open minded oina ai khuna school zi madam whenever we're thinking of a school khala kan de ki school gi wall marina question baje as ekoi na khan bagi madugi wakalon do madi mentality do madi sida thugai ma
hoi hoi mane adune koi si pura sisina keno idoini
tennis court oidoi
basketball oidoi akoi flooring torakini sise next session de almost ready oirani ada som the lawn tennis laire ada ya som da na
volleyball oidoi akoi na changi je boys hostel ni ko ada hostel ji kamai to no hostel gi mess kamai to wi moi gi tumpham chafam bathroom kamai to wi do mayam ni minas
sina boys hostel ni makha da su angang le sina basement ni ko sina first floor oidoi ni aduga somda koi newspaper moina paninga da stand later
sina newspaper stand ni aduga moi gi do ko lo cover je
keno sanale park adugi Sana Express later India later
Sunday Times Times of India
later
and then what Times of India
Times of India
adu moi the national paper gi khudung jawab ti re local paper su pi re
asina warden phamba moi gi roll call to matam adu moi ani say thabak sunimba khalimba saloi mag warden sir na keno ni head warden
sir nice to meet you sir I work from Norris window okay sir how many students do you have right now
right now we have 92 boys only
92 boys
yes
okay 92 boys is ana kamai handle to bin
I say parental care loga
okay
jangan floor ani khaiji asina ground floor oije
okay
adu warden amaga tham
warden
head warden
oibo ko adu head warden amagi role ji
main oibadi angang singje parental care de yin chan biba awat pa yin chan biba high discipline health concern oiba maruina sing mo me am ji ai yum da tawri ba ma pa na pam da yum yam do apai loi responsibility lawraga ai memo yi guidance ki makha da superintendent su lai hostel gi adu ga kana ga mai na poi rum yin chan mai ka
ado angang sing ji ga warden gi relation je ai ki survey experience ka kamai lege
Jikidi apagi ese father mother amoina maina di relation da lady koi
yam strict ti oi bra kamai da oi de ba
sai ne only environment ai budu
sai ge sa tham de ba warden di am pugal le ai ba adu mo le sir
sabta to mo idi ke sai ke apa angang da yam ana sai koi su dai ke adu mo koi ngang ko padi lai actually mo advice oi pi go advice to
ai khun hojik changi baje UNACCO residential school zigi hostel room la ngang tham hipagi mong jini ai three bedded room su lai room macha aduga ayamana room just mai chaw aduga room achobu sing sigi marakta ai sa warden ni and then there's mother aduga warden side gi over responsibility me am sar unagre aduga mother amto unajage mother si mi ke jo bige angang sing loina bese yam nuai bra kamai taw
sar dum nuai
ada angang sing dang mother na to gi se ki
sar room dilution birani digi magi mako make loi padna ku kaije makon chana thambirani di lotion kanda wai sisalani duga phana sai thokirani
di angang sing ne angang yum de leraga di angang si parents le min re ni adu bo si di mother hoi warden sa pe le gi angang sina da adu confidence de moi le gi adu sometimes moi mama ma da high da ba adu gi then moi ba da high da wa te mother da moi any if they have any special need ko moi special need am le kan da mother da have to yobra
yawi sa
yawi ba ada angang sing adu relation du yan close le gi da
lai sa
yam mai je sina moi gi belongings me am gi thambam oi ne ba so for every single student moi me am gi da mo sigi rack sing je lai doi ni and then moi gi lai perform oina moi gi private table am lai doi ne ko chair adu yam comfortable a bit chair sing ni adu yam phajagre hai tare mafun je adu yam nale adu ga makha gi flooring yam toin to bo male adu ga nuti gi to we ko adu ga room nan gi responsibility se kana ta le gi se
main oina akhoi mother gi ju tholang yam chawi akhoi gi site gi ju angang sing de instruction advice piba first morning de gi hona adu matung da khara awat pa le hobo sing dina mo khoi mother sing dina mo loi chen biba
adu room nan gi competition ma su sa lai bra
lei akhoi gi mem oina nuti gi monitoring to jari ada akhoi gi normal gi officer la ga ade room gi anan bu do khoi ne price piu mo encouragement oina adu amaina hik to
yam noise sir thank you so much this is one of the most important part ado refectory hall sida dining hall ge angang je sida la chak cha doi ni chak cha pham ji kamai to ge ha ba do mem ying ni please
moi yen ba hore
madam ne bhai bio
ꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯟꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ
sida famam chabe ne ta
ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯆꯥꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ
ang chabe ne angang si any student adum la kan adum famgi doira
ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯝꯈꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯄꯔꯇꯤꯀꯨꯂꯔ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯐꯝꯖꯈꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯝꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯝꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯝꯖꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ
adum man sak leu leu to da ka leke
ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯈꯨꯠꯇꯣ ꯔꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯋꯥꯠ ꯑꯄꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯣꯟ ꯚꯦꯖ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯟ ꯚꯦꯖ ꯚꯦꯖ ꯑꯗꯨം ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯅ ꯁꯔꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯤ ꯃꯦꯁ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯔꯅꯤ
okay sir nice meeting you sir saga unajage ado sir ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯟꯖꯥꯡ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯀꯃꯥꯏ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯊꯣꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯌꯦꯟꯖꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯣꯡꯉꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯣꯡꯉꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯍꯥꯎꯅ ꯊꯣꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯌꯦꯟꯖꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯊꯦꯜꯁꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯊꯦꯜꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯎꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯌꯦꯟꯖꯥꯡ ꯃꯊꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯂꯥꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯏꯔꯣꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ and then ꯗꯥꯜ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯡꯍꯧ ꯍꯥꯞꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯆꯅꯥ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯁꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯝꯃꯦ ꯌꯦꯟꯖꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯊꯝꯃꯦ ꯆꯥꯛꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯦꯟꯖꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯧ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯛꯇꯨꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯔꯥꯎꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯔꯥꯎꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯈꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛ ꯊꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯖꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯕꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯈꯥꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯣꯔꯤꯡ ꯀꯩꯀꯩꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯤꯅꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯣ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯤꯔꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯂꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯐꯥꯁꯇꯩ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ इवनिंग की स्नैक लेबको अदु फौदा दम कोइना अहम सेंग बाइतारे ब्रेकफास्ट इवनिंग स्नैक लंच एंड डिनर अदुगा सिदा बिरि इसिंग जे कमाइना लेगी सिंग जे काइदगी लौबिबनो मसी अखोइना अखोइ असिदा आरो अखोइ अमु पालिसे सिदगी अखोइना पीबनी असिदा अखोइ आरो वाली थनेसे ओके ओके इसिंग जे मरु होइबको आदि डाइनिंग दी ख्वाइ मरु होइबो पार अमदि इसिंग जे होइदोइनी अदि इसिंग जे प्यूरिफायर सिना पीबे इसिंग जे दम बेस्ट क्वालिटी सर की एक्सपीरियंस satisfaction especially from the student side or the teacher side कमाई लेगी मसी मरुना कोई students ने यम फजना हावी ने कोई ताकपीरे अदुगा कोई teacher सिंग सुको यम फजना हावी ने कोई दा ताकपीरे दम okay thank you so much sir कमाई थोंगे जम ते यंगिना सर से कोई चंगी जे मसाई अच्छा बजगर बसिले वाइ टीम मैम दो काय कदाइ दे सेमगे हैदुनी को रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल मनी ने फाइ मरु बजे साबा थकसे याम मरु होय अदुगा पेरेंट्स मुखैने सु याम कन्ना माथा साबा अदुगा याम सीरियस ओइबा एरिया से साबा थकसेनी अदुना कमाइ प्रिपेयर तोगे दु यंगिने से प्लीज ओके सिना कटिंग तफुम बोइदेने बको ओके सिना हजिक से केयो थुंबे जे चना फ्राई ने बको ओके अदु पोसी दि याम नान म माले सिने रे पात्रा मैम जे ओके अदु थोंगम से सिदा दो देने बको सिदा मा इंग्रेडिएंट्स मैम से सिदा बा ओके सिदा मसाला के मैम से थमे अदुगा सिदा गैस थोंगम से सिदा ओइबको कैपेसिटी से पुन मी के हम गिरो सा थोंग बिरि जे मसे अखोय हजु जि ओइना मॉर्निंग की ओइना दे अखोय मी अराउंड 20-30 गुम्बा समाइना अदु फूड क्वालिटी कनाना चेक तो सर मसे मसी तसेंगा हारेगा दे खोइ इसामंग सु चेक तौरे अदुगा खोइगी एओ लेडी अदुगा खोइगी खोइ प्रिंसिपल लेडी को खोइला दum नुति चेक तौरे सर थैंक यू सो मच याम नाइ अदुगा मखादा सु थोंगम जे को याम लेयो को अदुदि याम फजन तौबिरि सर खोइ जे यंबरे याम नुवाइ जै अदु याम हाइजीनिक तौबसिम याम नुवाइ हाइबा ताइ सर को UNACCO school gi another facility ne khenu jitang do je again this is another very important facility sidele riba chhatra sing gi mafi maro suba chambagi daita se angang sing leike adu sigi dam ko laundry gi oba tonga da building ama leiko sidele je kamai to rino je explain to minutes madam please
dryer oi doini
sin dryer oi doini ba adu ti phongdo se yare phongdo se yare okay sida suani adu ani som sudai ba si dry to be ko fish bomb yani and this money and then sida dry to ne ko aduna whole set amakhak sida le aduna anga
ji somdana iron to ni moise
sida iron ko do ne
iron to loin pi doin somdana ironing room moi ba
sida अदो मैडम हाउ फ्रीक्वेंट है जाए क्या हम तो ना अंगांग की फिरोन से शोन
नुंती है मोई रोटेशन ले रोटेशन ले मसीना नाइट ड्रेस सेट सुबा अदे मसीना ट्रैक सूट सुबा स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म सुबा एंड माइनर रोटेशन मोई की ngasai gi akoi gi almanac ta moi karam karamba uniform set kadaba ni haiba se si matung ina sisu laundry gi list ma maina
yam nuai mem ko angang ji sidu tang do ga ga angang gi na firon suba hai jabagi
problem di leite ado akoi na su angang sin sin moi gi masai gi oiba firon se moi na dum suba tamhalle ai di adu su haiba ta hai di hele adu su hoi mai gi hanky ni khangde socks macha ni khangde adum moi da ko moi su hayona ba tas khara de dum pi ba dum moi da su hai
स्कूल जिगी यम नुगाई बा बताय स्कूल सिना डेवलप तौजबा हर्बल गार्डन मखक लेको हजिकी मतम सिदा ऑर्गेनिक फूड चाबगी तंगाई फदबा मैम दा लाकबा एट द सेम टाइम एकोई मणिपुर फंगे मेडिसिनल प्लांट मैम जी योखला कांदा मसिना एकोई योबा अना लेंग दा कानहनबा gi pochim yamna si da pung thokat pagi step ma ka स्कूल सिना लौरे मेना हर्बल गार्डन से कई नो किना एक्सप्लेन तो
औ सिगी से कोई हंदक ने ने हंदक तो gi bani somda de lay ko na maming thon jabani somda
okay
herbs are super vaina ko herbal garden na handak ta last sunday da to gi bani
okay
adu kamai to gi have da ko sida thari ba mayam se akoi indigenous oiba herbs ngaktani adu ga si kamai tha gi have da ko na ngang sing da every herb sigi kanaba se si loina mak moi da haire adu haire ba matung da masa mang na makhut mang na ko moi na loin tha gi ba
masa student tha bang
moi tha ba ngaktani
adu sida thari din kai ki mo
si leire somdana keno leire tulsi plants ngaktani
tulsi ne
khara khara hore tulsi plants leire ko sisu tulsi ni adigi somdana koi gi awa phadigom se leire adigi sidana marina pak
leire
adigi sidana kupi leire aduga chanam leire adigi telho mana leire adigi sidana mint thabane ko mint se kitang adadi kitang